welcome to your English class. Today we are going to learn about letter R. Letter R. Are you ready? There are 26 letters in an alphabet chart. Okay? How many? 26. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. How many consonants? 21. Letter R is a consonant. Letter R is a consonant. This is uppercase R and that is lowercase r. So the phonic sound of R is r. Okay, repeat it. Okay, now let's learn about few objects related to letter R. Come on. Students, come on. Let's see what are the objects related to letter R. R for ring. Ring is an ornament which we wear in our fingers. R for rat. R for rat. Generally rats make our house dirty. R for raincoat. R for raincoat. We use raincoats during rainy season. During rainy season. R for restaurant. R for restaurant. Whenever there is a special occasion, we go to a restaurant with our family and friends to have tasty food. Children, who brings Santa during Christmas? Yes, it's R for reindeer. Reindeer brings Santa during Christmas so that he can give us so many gifts. R for red. Red color. What is red in color? Rose is red in color. Watermelon, the inside part of the watermelon is red in color. Rectangle. Rectangle. R for rectangle. It is a shape. It is a shape. Now we will carry a raincoat when it is R for raining. Right? Rain. R for rain. Now after rain we can see rainbow. Colorful rainbow. How many colors are there? 7 colors are there. Now let's go and see how to write letter R. So for writing uppercase R, we will draw a standing line first, followed by left curve and left slanting line touching the second blue line. Okay, again just look at it. It's very easy. Okay, for writing lowercase r, first we'll draw a small standing line between the blue lines, followed by a short upward curve which will not touch the second blue line. Okay, like this it will be. It's very easy. Just follow what I'm saying and practice at home. Okay, thank you.